Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on VRBO. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in vrbo.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for VRBO, where you can sign in by using the sign in button at the top right corner as well as the sign in button at the bottom section. Once you click on it, you can click on sign in, it's free. Then you have various different options. If you created your account with your Google account, you will need to click on sign in with Google and select your Google account. You also have the option to log in with your Apple or Facebook account if you created your account using those. Now if you didn't do either of those, simply type in your email address that you used and click on the continue button. Then you will be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your inbox and you will find the login code inside. Just copy this code and paste it in the verification box and click on the continue button. You can also click on enter password instead, and then you will be asked to type in your password. Just go ahead and enter your account password and then click on the sign in button. And now you will be logged into your account on VRBO. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with VRBO. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.